Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. In today's video we are celebrating our 8 years wedding anniversary, and I am getting dressed to head out for a date with babe right now. And as you guys can see, I am accessorizing my outfit with this beautiful necklace that babe is putting on me. This is the puff heart shaped necklace. I am so in love with this necklace and it's perfect for the occasion. So you guys don't want to miss the sale that I'm about to share with you guys. I'm also accessorizing the outfit with this beautiful bracelet. This is the double circle bracelet, which I completely love because it's so attached to each other. I guess one circle represents one of us, so that's why I'm so in love with this bracelet. It's thin, it's neat. When you have it on, you don't even feel like you have anything on your hand. And I'm also pairing it with this beautiful pair of double hoop earring that I'm wearing in my ears. It has some small stones in the smallest hoop, and then the big hoop is just plain, and it's completely my style and I'm so in love with it. So I want to share with you guys that the company that I got these jewelry from is having a big blowout sale. They're having a sale that if you buy one you get 60% off your next purchase. Listen, you do not want to give up this opportunity of such a great deal. I completely recommend these jewelry from this company. They have a lot of option over there. If you're looking for sustainable jewelry of good quality, fast shipment worldwide, click the link down below right now and make your order and get 60% off your second piece. Please click the link down below and go and get your jewelry from this amazing company that I'm sharing with you guys down below. And don't forget to click the link down below right now. Let's get into today's vlog. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in France, and today is our anniversary. Where is my husband? Today we celebrate 10. Back up, girl, you're moving too fast. But we've been together for 10 years. Today we're celebrating 8 years of marriage with my wonderful husband. He makes marriage easy. If I say otherwise, I'd be lying. I don't have to work too hard for this marriage to work because we're compatible with each other. I must say that I am a lucky girl, and I'm happy to be celebrating 8 amazing years with my wonderful, fine husband. And right now we are heading out to go and get a little celebration on, girl. But first, who you think you're gonna see? Who first? Who first? Ugh! Say hello to the face.
Hello, Mama, but can you call me by my bottom, please? I can't.
Say hello.
Hello.
Ready to go celebrate with Mama and Papa 8 years? Why are you licking the candy like a puppy? You! Come here! Come here! Say hello, Fibs!
Hello, babe.
Say hi!
Hi.
Say happy
Happy.
anniversary,
Happy.
Mama
Mama.
and Papa.
Tata.
They're eating candies. Anyway, you guys, babe! Come say hello to the face before we head up, before I turn off this camera, please. So we're heading out right now to go have din. 8 amazing years with my boo. Say hello.
Hi guys. Good
How's
morning.
8 years of marriage been?
Long. Very long.
Going back where you come from. Anyway, you guys, we're about to head out right now, so we'll catch you guys on our way. You see him give trouble? Trouble. Nightlife in Nice, you guys don't see this very often. So you're getting a little peek of the night view of Nice tonight. Today, whatever time of the day you're watching this with my fine husband driving. Hi, fine husband. My fine husband of 8 years of marriage. drive, guys, no? We're trying to find a restaurant to see where to eat. Oh, there's more on here. And the airport is just over here. You can't really see it properly. That's it. There's a restaurant upstairs, but we've been to the one upstairs. We're trying to find somewhere that we've never been. Maybe we'll have to end up back upstairs. So we're going down to this restaurant. Look like there's more than one down here. The space look amazing. This look like a nice spot. Oh, it's the anti-G access. It's the exit. Okay. Come tie. Something to eat. Let's see. Should I have something from the grill section? In Juice. Ooh. C'est pour moi. Merci. Merci. Wait. Two. Merci.
Hello, hold on.
What flavor juice you took, Ty?
This is the fish, the white fish with strings on the top.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take that.
There's rice. Fish and chips, you know what is fish and chips? Food, you know what is food?
No. Pulp roti? Stop. So the kids' food has arrived and they're eating. Sarah having nuggets and fries. Tyler is having mini burgers. Cheers to 88 more at least. At least. Look at Babe's plate. Wait, Sarah, wait.
I always have the monster plate.
And look at my plate with the octopus. Yes. Wait, Sarah, wait. That looks good. Oh my god. Absolutely delicious. Oh, I can't wait for you to taste it. Babe, you're gonna like it. It don't just have a strong flavor. Very flavorful. It's like chicken. This good. Tell her eat, please. You guys, I can't tell you enough.
How good this octopus tastes. The place is called, what's the name of the restaurant? Edgar. Edgar? Edgar. Absolutely delicious. Tastes good? Dessert time for the babies. Sarah's having vanilla ice cream. And you're having what? What are you having?
Strawberries.
With ketchup on your cheeks. Okay, I see you. Yeah. She dancing. Look at her. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go, go, go. Ice cream make her happy. Look at her face. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Song that you have to clap your hands.
Look at her, look at her. Wow, Sarah, yummy. Ice cream. Yummy? Yummy time? Try eat, please.
No, I'm good at TikTok.
Dessert time. We're sharing. My eyes already look tired. If I could do 8 years all over again, I would, in a heartbeat. Only if it was you.
You sure?
110%.
Let's see.
Let's see. You don't need to see. You're already seeing it.
I saw the last 8 years, but I want to see the next 8 years.
Well, brace yourself on it because it's coming, and it's coming in hot this time.
Do you think about me?
If I think about you, I don't need to think about you. You're
No, but
always there on my mind.
Do you think about me if this is what I want? You think about me.
How dare he throw me under the bus? Even on our anniversary, he's giving trouble. Even on our anniversary, he can't behave nicely. Not even one day's exception to the rule. You can't be nice for one day?
I am nice.
Oh my god. Well, if that's not what you want, then what do you want? You want out?
A choke.
It's not too late. You can still tap out, you know.
Let's try 1 year first.
Okay, so I'm a guinea pig. I'm a rabbit.
Yeah.
You're just gonna test and see if it work or not. Then if it don't work, then
every
you
year
just
that's what I do. So I'm gonna test every year.
you test to see if it can last one more year.
Yeah. This woman is the best one. Yes, I'm gonna do the next 50 years.
Only 50?
Why not be 80 somethings?
So?
It's a good age to divorce, 80, 85. Let's say 60. I'll be about 94, 95.
It's a new age to start over, get a new wife, no?
Big
I'm crying.
Grandpa is back. I'm on the market. Ooh, going to the beach.
Now you guys see why I've been 8 years in this marriage. He's keeping me sane with laughter. He's a fool. Oh my god. You finish? Okay. Anyway, you guys, dinner was absolutely amazing. I had such a good time with Babe. Even though the kids were there, we zoned them out and we were just in our zone. Babe and I always say that we can't wait for years to come when we have our anniversary and we can just leave them with somebody and just go. Just the two of us, just in that moment. But for now we don't have that, so we make do, and we had a good time. No?
I'm satisfied. I'm happy.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy your little anniversary vlog, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, go ahead and don't forget to click that link down below and make your purchase and get 60% off your second item.